Do you want to increase your iPhone screen brightness to the max? This 5-minute solution will show you how you can do it. First of all, open your control center, tap and hold on brightness, and turn off True Tone. So turn off this. Now go to your iPhone settings, tap on accessibility, tap on display and text size, scroll down, disable auto brightness, tap on color filters, enable color filters, and select here color tint. Intensity select 10%, hue select 60%. Then all you have to need, just open your control center again and increase your brightness, and that's how you will get your iPhone screen brightness to the max. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.